Hi and welcome to Marketing Cloud for Marketers. My name is Derek and I'm from Arachne. I'm one of the instructors with Arachne. Okay, so what I'd like to do today is take you through a really quick update that occurs around this time of year. So Happy New Year, everybody. One of the things that constantly gets requested at this time of year is to update the dates for copyrights, usually found at the bottom of the email templates. So if I quickly just go into an email, it's a content builder, and I'll go into an email real quick and I'll just show you what I mean here. So go into an email, I've got an email here, and right at the bottom of my email I've got my copyright information in there. This is copyright 2022, and that's part of my template. So what I'm going to show you to do today is how to update that date, so that date constantly updates as the year ticks over, and then how to make sure that that's appended onto the emails correctly. So I'm going to exit out of that. Alright, so first thing I want to do is jump into my template. So I can find my template there. And if I go into my template, so edit my template, and you can see I've got a copyright at the bottom there. So copyright 2022. I'll click into that, and what you'll see is the date is hard-coded. So the numbers 2022 are placed in there. If I go into the HTML editor, 2022 is in there. Now what I could do real quick, I could just change that to 2023, but what I want to do is I want to set this up so in future years I don't need to worry about doing this, and I don't need to roll out changes to all of my live emails either, which I'll show you a little bit later. So I'll leave that as 2022, and I'll jump into the content, and I'm just going to delete 2022, and I'm going to replace this with a personalization string. So put in the 2 percentage signs, that indicates I'm using a personalization string. And the string that I'm going to use is called XT year. XT year, and close that out. Alright, so what that string does, that brings in the year that the email has been sent out. So automatically it will bring in copyright 2023 for any emails that I send out this year. So I'll click done editing, save, and that's my template done. Alright, so if I go into my template again now, take a look at my template, you'll see that I've got that string appearing in there. Alright, now if I've got any emails that are currently using that template, what I now need to do is I need to update that email to force it to apply that change. So I've got an email here that is using that template, and if I go down the bottom, you can see the copyright is still set to the number there, 2022. So I want to modify that. So I'm going to edit my email, edit my properties, and you'll see that when I do that, you can see my template has changed, and I need to update my email. So I'll click on Update Email, and what you'll notice, if I go to the bottom, I've got my new copyright information in there. We've also got the old copyright information appearing as well. So I need to remove that. Let's delete that. Click on Next. Make sure my content's right. Save that. And that's all good. Alright, so now I've got the right copyright footer at the bottom of my email. Just do a really quick test just to make sure that that's working. Yep. Just select something at random. Yep, and you can see that's updated there for the current date. So that's a really quick, really easy way just to update dates on an ongoing basis. You can see with that really quick change, I don't need to go through and modify all of my emails every time every time the year changes. Alright, so please apply that to your templates. Again, Happy New Year, and hope to see you in one of our courses this year. Goodbye.